Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows 11 25 ways to update not installing on your Windows 11 PC. Windows 11 25 ways to update has been released for insider preview and likely to be released for all users. Right click on the start button, choose settings and check for updates and update available. If 25 ways to update available, then simply download and install. If you fail to download and install Windows 11 25 ways to update, then here are the process to fix this issue. Right click on the start button and choose settings, and the first and initial workaround is run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Here go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if update failed to install, then go to system settings from the left side, and here scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters. Here run Windows Update Troubleshooters. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. This is very important tools, Windows Update Troubleshooters. It will not only detect the issue, fixed accordingly. So you must run Windows Update Troubleshoot. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Look for disk cleanup. There may be a storage issues, and open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK. And here files to delete. Make the check against all the temporary files, folder, downloaded files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and other feature also, caches, and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose yes. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. In run dialog box, type the command services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. In services windows, you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer services. Look for it, right click on it, and first choose start. If you already found it in start mode, then restart it. In my case it is stop mode, so we will start it. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is cryptographic services. Scroll down and look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it, choose start or restart. If you found already in a start mode, then restart cryptographic services. Do you want to restart these services also? Choose yes. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Go to W alphabet, scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart, whichever applicable to your PC. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the window. And the last one is Windows Update Services. Right click on it, choose start or restart. If you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. and check whether Windows 11 25 ways to update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, first execute these 3 DISM tool as shown on screen. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. The first one is DISM online cleanup image scanhealth, DISM online cleanup image checkhealth, and DISM online cleanup image restorehealth. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and thereafter execute the command SFC scan now. Press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Press enter. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time, so wait till verification 100% complete. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows 11 25 is to update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose yes, and here execute some Windows update components as shown on screen. Execute all these Windows update components one by one. First, execute these 4 services command to stop these 4 services. Execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter some other Windows update component. Execute all these commands. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there and simply paste in command prompt Windows. And after that, start all these 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And one successfully execution of all these Windows update components. Don't forget to restart your system. And if you are still facing Windows 11 25 ways to update not installing or fail to install, manually download and install Windows latest update 25 ways to. Go to your Chrome browser. Here in search field, type Microsoft Update Catalog. Look for Microsoft Update Catalog and open the first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it. And here in search field, type the desired KV update which available Windows settings in Windows settings, Windows update page available for download and install KV, and type the number and click on search. And if you found all the KVs update here, simply download and install manually Windows 11 25 ways to update in your system. That's all.